And this is where it's different than drugs and alcohol and
Right.
cigarettes, because we don't have to have any of those things to survive. We have to eat. We have to eat. And
Hmm.
therefore, we have to find a way to incorporate it into our life that has integrity and respect for our body.
Right. Right.
And food is never the enemy. I always tell them food is not the enemy, but disconnection from your body is an enemy.
Yeah. And that's what we do,
And,
right?
and the real culprit behind that is diet culture, right? Of
Oh,
course, like
God.
it all goes back to diet culture,
So, yeah.
and especially for women. Not
Hmm.
saying men are not affected by it; they absolutely are. It does look a little bit different for women, though.
Hmm. Oh, yeah. I've been on so many diets. I can't even begin to tell you. I will never be on
Yeah,
a diet again.
yeah. I mean, diets. Long term. Like I think the most recent statistic is like 95 to 98% of diets fail, meaning that after that statistic means like I think after 1 year, people gain the weight back,
And more.
and then one and more because your body is like freaked out by what you did. So it's going to add on a little bit of excess to protect it for next time. And what people also don't seem to understand about that is like every time we do that, we're messing up our metabolism.
Yes.
And so the metabolic health then takes a hit every single time.
Hmm.
And so when people do stop binge eating and it drastically decreases, what I'll also hear is, but why am I not losing weight?
Hmm.
Because it's not that simple, because your body has been in a state of trauma for
Right.
years.
Yep.
For years. Your body does not trust you, and you don't trust
Oh,
your body.
wow. Is that true? Wow. That's a strong statement, and it's so true.
Yeah. And again, that's not sexy, right? That doesn't sell.
Mm-mm.
Like, let me reconnect you to your body signal, right? But that's what we're doing. If
Hmm.
you truly want to work on binge eating, you have to give up on weight loss. And that is a strong statement. And I'm going to
It
put it out
is.
there. And I know people have feelings about that. And they're like, I don't want to. I want to lose weight. And what I tell people is like, the more you focus on weight loss, the more your binge part of your brain rebels, and the more you're going to binge.
Hmm.
People do lose weight after they stop binge eating. Not all people, I don't guarantee that,
Right.
but
Right.
I know that people do. I'm one of those people. I'm one of those people, and my
Hmm.
weight has stayed really consistent, for about, well, after I had my last son in 2020. It stayed very consistent, but it's not that simple if you have 20, 30, 40, 50 years of dieting.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to work on the relationship with your body in order
Yeah.
to
With
heal the
yourself.
relationship with food in
Hmm.
order to lose weight. And so it's definitely a process.